We going. What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy, Big Jane 97. And you already know we back again. We yet another Omi Zero unboxing. If you know, you know. It's green. So if you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. We're gonna go get this. Gonna be real quick, cause you know I'm just popping this out so I can rock on the day. So we finna go and knock the vid out. You feel me? You already know how the boxes go. Thick boxes as always. Green highlights. You know what I'm saying? Green eyes. We know the boxes. Ooh, green laces. We like those. Hell yeah, I might put these in. I might put them in actually. The bag. I put one pair in the bag. They fit in the bag. I put one pair in the bag. A little Omi bag. We'll get straight to it, man. I forgot the name of these, but they green, black, and white. Oh my. Just look at them, just look. Just look at them, just look at them real quick. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, sir. God damn it. Look at the leather on them bitches, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Bruh. Oh yes, sir. I got this I'm gonna spray them up to protect them. I got this protecting spray. But yeah, bro, man. Green bottoms. You know, you got the Omi on the bottom. The original Reloaded logo on the bottom. Omi on the bottom. Lightning bolt. And the lightning bolts on the sides. You probably can see them. Yeah, right there. See the little lightning bolts? One right here, and then there's one on the other side. Yeah, bro, we got the it's almost Kelly, but like a shade darker than Kelly. We got the Kelly green, the vintage age soul, white leather, green leather, black leather, and this one, bro, this some leather, bro. This some leather. Y'all know how the tongue go. Green Omi on the tongue. Y'all know how the backs go. Green skeleton man on the back, you feel me? Green skeleton. I'm gonna take those out. They come with the black ones in. I don't know. I might do my alternate thing. I might rock one black lace, one black lace, one green lace. Let me see. You might just do that. One black lace, one green lace. Nothing else in the box, but you know, Omi. Sticker of the shoe. That's hard. And the Reloaded. Yeah, we might do one black, one green. One black, one green, that's how I'm feeling. So we're gonna take this one out. But bro, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I've been buying Omis over Yeezys, bro. For real. I don't know, it's just something about these shits, bro. It's like, I don't know. I don't own a pair of Jordans, like I say all the time. I don't own a pair of Jordans, but I fuck with these Omis though. Too heavy. Too heavy. And basically every time a pair drop, I got them. I gotta be like the first one, so if I'm getting them, I gotta make my decision early, cause 13 be the first one gone. But you gotta be early though. If you want them, you gotta be early. Especially if you wear a bigger size. You wear like some smaller shit, like 12, 11, you might be straight, but 13, my boys in the 13, my boy. Yeah, get that bitch early, but you ain't gonna get it. Get it early or you ain't gonna get it. This how I lace my sneakers, bro. I don't like I don't do all that fancy shit. I'm regular. I just want y'all to see them with the green lacing. Then we're gonna put the black in on. Cause that's how I rock them. Like each pair I put one color lace in one and then one color lace in the other. That's how I did the Valentine's. That's how I did the grapes, I think. Yeah, I think I did the grapes like that too. The Hamptons. Since I started buying them, it's only 2 pair I missed, and that was the salmon pink. Cause I slept on them. I slept on them too long, bro. I was like, I don't know. I don't want a pink ass shoe. And by the time that I made the decision that I did want a pink ass shoe, the pink ass shoe was gone. So, you know what I'm saying? So I be saying, I make a decision early. Make that decision early, man. All right. I do use these. I don't know too many people that use this little tab thing, but I do. I put my shit right through there. Cause they hold that tone in place, keep that shit from sliding out to the side. Hold up, man. I can't remember how I got these laced. Let me check the other one. I lace them all the same, so. Yeah, we'll check these. I had to check this pair. Okay, so yeah, we stopped right there. I was just making sure. Put this one. This bitch be a little hard sometimes. I ain't gonna hold you. I got fat ass hands too, so that don't help my process at all. There we go though. I don't like lacing too high, so that's as high as I'm gonna go with it. That's the green one. We got a green one. Do this black one real quick. Let me get up out of here. Make sure they're the same. Make sure they're the same. Yeah. You know, once we get big, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna be like, damn. My boy was knowing the sneakers early. You know what I'm saying? My first actual video on the tube was about some damn sneakers, though. That's what's crazy. I mean, the first video. My first video, I think it's still my highest viewed video. And I shot that shit on a fucking iMac webcam, bro. Horrible. Disgusting quality. It was disgusting. But that motherfucker, yeah. It's my highest viewed video to this day. Shot on a fucking iMac webcam. The iMac 27 that I still got, actually. It's downstairs. I still got it because I got a bunch of shit on there I need to take off. It don't really work right no more though, so I can't necessarily do shit with it. I need to make the time to get all my shit out there so I can give it away to somebody that's gonna fix it or whatever. But I'm not gonna do shit with it. I got PC now. I don't need that shit no more. I don't need that shit no more, cuz I got PC. Alright, we're basically done with this one. Shit, hold on. Alright, there you go. There you go, cuz. Man, I'm up early as fuck filming this video just so I can put some shoes on. I got a problem. There we go. That's how I do them. One black, one green. Boom. That's a good thumbnail. Boom. Boom. Hard, bro. Hard. Hard, bro. Hard. Hold like this. Ugh. But just like that, man, I done laced them up for y'all. It was just a quick video, kind of a quick video. They've been there 12 minutes, so I'm gonna make this outro quick. You know what I'm saying? Till the next time, to the next shoe review, I got more homies on the way. As long as they keep dropping, I'm gonna keep copying. Bars, you feel me? Bars. But yeah, to the next video, man. It's your boy Big J97. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to, because at the end of the day, you're gonna do what the fuck you want to do to you. I fucked up. To the next video, man. I'm out.